Founded in 1995, DC Office People Incorporated was first envisioned as a team of office equipment and IT engineers working together to provide quality office equipment, repair services and support to the local Barbadian market. From inception, the company has always been involved in providing repair services on PCs, printers and other IT-based equipment. In 1999 these services were expanded to include repairs to general office equipment such as copiers, fax machines, shredders and other such needed tools which are used every day around the workplace. Having its foundation as a service and support company, DC Office People aligned itself as both a partner and reseller in order to supply the imminent demands of their clients. We supply our clients with reliable computer products and the general office equipment they need in order to succeed. We continue to emphasize our commitment to service as a differentiating factor between ourselves and our competitors. For more information, feel free to visit us online via the web address below to find out more.